Where they are going to do?
You mean, Miss Brissett? Pick on have to come picking up.
Even if I do that, and you say you want to get the weapon, and you think it will make the process longer, brother.
You take care of your business.
Right now, me even business in Miss Brissett.
Tell me say a joke here.
Then a target practice the boy you have for when the next time in forward. Can you have politicians as in bucket even now?
If him do certain things, that will lead right back to Marcus.
He not gonna do it bad man, cause he know street food. So him I go have couple killer around him, couple grimy soldier. We are gonna take on the work for him, you hear that?
We need to go talk to Butcher.
You know so you're still alive. And you can't find him out.
Not even know what to do.
What happened to Miss Brissett? You need to talk to them.
I take your advice. Still they all want clean up too.
Yo, a 4 rifle dog for me, you know. That's why I'm have to go for him.
Man, still up and running.
This is the boy and him friend them surface over the funeral.
And Bododo can deal with that alone.
May I come circle you?
Oh, go and go. There, go see back.
Me you say pull off. But tell you if you do something, I do something different.
Now go up on the ground, man, and me here go on. But I watch that, my thing different.
Well, it's the phone thing there. Can't do that no more, you see me? Think on a different level. We done with them ball game there. Different ball game with the one.
You don't play a hard ball. That's it. That's why I pull off a styling. I never pull off a phone styling, move the forward.
Alright, here I go on. I know an attention bring to you. Any attention bring to you, bring to me. I don't want that happen. Alright, my link Bododo for the next apps. Because I can't bother with the public double, you see me?
Alright, your thing, my general.
Activity. Hold.
Rome.
Bododo. I will ask for you to go up and look later, you see me?
That's a code, man.
Alright. I'll show you later. I'm making all the pre.
Alright, play. Let me get the intel now.
Active. Yo, when I go for him today, yeah. Not another day for pass. Anyway at all about him, make sure him under dirt. If him the over the farm, in the studio, he could have in front of him mother, him woman, or even pastor. Clean sweep. We don't want no evidence.
Nile.
Come on, go on at the front. Butcher, wagwan.
You said? I go on.
Then you may come for talk to.
Come out there, son.
Bossy alert. Bossy, keep your eye on Butcher.
Butcher, stay inside.